What is up, y'all? It's been a while since we've done one of these, but if you see the title right, if I read it right, I haven't written it yet. 3 jerseys to unbox. 2 of them are rare. One of them really rare. And the other one is just a regular home jersey. So I've decided in which order I will be unboxing these. Starting with this one right here. This is a team I already have. 2 of these are teams I already have. 1 is a new team. So you will see the 24th team. This one right here was about $76. One of the cheaper Adidas ones I've gotten. The other one, or one of them, is kind of a normal price I pay for prime green ones or whatever. And then the other one is the most expensive one I've ever gotten. I'll get to those. So this was about $75-$76 somewhere in there. It's a team I already have. And yes, a team I don't like. But this one is technically, let's see. I want to say I bought this after the other one, so I'm not going to be unboxing these in the same order as I bought them in. But this will be jersey number 31, I believe. Yeah, 31. That you see, it is actually number 32 in my collection. And no, not 32 teams, because you know I have some repeats. But let's go ahead and get into this. Now, this is one that was only worn for 2 games. That should give you a hint. It's only worn for 2 games. About 3 years ago. And both games happened in 2019 against the same team. Go ahead and take your guesses now, if you want to. Alright, getting into this. These boxes give me hell. There we go. What do you think? That's gonna be a good one. But a team I don't like. Forgive me. It is the Philadelphia Flyers. And it is the 2019 Stadium Series jersey. If I can find where this bag opens at. Well, just rip right on into it. There we go. I am debating on whether or not I will take the tags off of this one. But there you go. So that's 54 as usual. It says Philly in the back. It's got the Stadium Series shoulder patch on it from 2019 in Pittsburgh. Or no, in Philadelphia. It was in Philadelphia, that there. Forgive me for holding this thing like this, but it is a nice one to have in the collection. I will say that. It's the two-tone jersey back when the two-tone thing was kind of new. But yeah, I got this one off eBay. And the seller is One Yinzer, I believe. Let me check the box here real quick. Yeah, the seller's name is One Yinzer. So there's a lot of Pittsburgh stuff. He's the same guy I got the reverse retro from. Alright, but now let's get into this one. It's the same guys as we've seen before. It's a prime green. And it's from Sports K. And you know I like Sports K. As you can see from 1, 2, 3, you can probably see it, Panthers. 4, the Kraken, you can't see it. Pittsburgh, the black one, was a bet win, but also came off of Sports K. I believe there's one other. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's 5. So this is the 6th one from them. They are a great site. I will say this is probably the most beat up I've seen one of their boxes. Hopefully, it shouldn't impact the jersey any. This one was about $127. Normal for that site. Prime green, although I did get the Panthers one when it was still kind of like a new thing with the prime greens. That was $147. And that is the record until the next one I show you. For most expensive jersey I've gotten. I will probably never pay the amount that I paid for the next one you're going to see. Not this one, but the next one. Ever again. All right. What do you think? I want to make sure I show you all the logo right. All right. Ready? This is team number 24 of 32. And it is the Winnipeg Jets. This is a team I have been after for a very long time. I have wanted this jersey forever. It's just so nice. And Winnipeg Jets jerseys are insanely difficult to find for a good price that I'm willing to pay. But this one this one came up big. You see it says Winnipeg in the collar there. Sorry about that. Blooper reel. But yes, it says Winnipeg in the collar there before I knocked it over. The logo looks nice. Kind of shiny. I like how this prime greens look very shiny. There you go. There's the shoulder patch. And there you go. There's the whole jersey. Winnipeg. This was the last one in stock for my size on that site. But that is team number 24. On jersey number 2 of this video. It's got the prime green stuff on it everywhere. All good. And now for the one I am most excited for. You can take a guess on what this one is. I don't want to give you a hint, because you'll probably guess it right then and there. There you go. This one came from a random eBay seller. Can't remember what his name was, but somebody on eBay. Also, I'm just going to let y'all know, I have another unboxing I'm planning soon that won't be a jersey. It will be something very different. Just like this packaging is very different. We're going to open it this way this time. Take your guesses. For jersey number 33 that you'll see. Yes! Yes! This has taken me forever to find. And it was one of the this is a holy grail jersey for me. This is a holy grail jersey for me. Like how it's nicely packaged. The jersey that was only worn twice, just like the Flyers one. One that I have struggled to find in my size until now. Price for this one, $273. I will probably never pay this much for a jersey ever again. Let's just put it that way. You see it's got the 2019 Stadium Series patch on it. And in the collar says, a great day for hockey. Now this jersey is cursed. So chances that I wear it when the Penguins are playing or slim it on, because we'll probably lose the Flyers 3-2 in overtime after having a lead in the third. But yeah, that is it for this video. 3 new jerseys. A nice haul today. I do plan on getting more, hopefully soon. And then I have that one package that hopefully comes in soon. And hopefully I'll make a video for it. And if I don't make a video for it, I'll explain why. But if I do make a video for it, you'll see it. And as for now, that is it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.